Hey, today we are going to be making vegan chili mac and cheese, two of my favorite comfort foods put together. I like to call this my no chop chili mac because there is no chopping required, so it's super easy for a lazy evening. Let's get started right now. Ooh, this looks so good. It smells delicious. Let's give this a bite. Oh my goodness. This is so good. It's creamy. It's got a slight bit of tanginess from that cheesy sauce, and then it's got that tomatoey flavor and the beans and corn. It's just a really hearty meal. I love it. Be sure to smash the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this recipe, and comment below what other comfort food meals do you like to make on weeknights when you are feeling super lazy and just want something easy. Be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss future videos on the channel. I post new videos every Sunday at 6 a.m. Pacific time. And I will see you next week. Bye. That's hot.